Are you struggling with sleep? In this video, we explore the powerful benefits of getting enough rest and how it impacts your health, both mentally and physically. Learn how poor sleep can affect your heart, brain, and overall well-being. Make sure to stick around to learn why quality sleep is critical for your well-being and how it can transform your life. Let's begin with why sleep is important. Sleep is often overlooked, but it's just as important as diet and exercise. Sleep helps your body recover, repair tissues, grow muscle, and synthesize hormones. It's during sleep that your brain consolidates memories and processes information. Without enough rest, you may experience difficulty focusing, mood swings, and even weakened immunity. I will tell you the link between sleep and mental health. Did you know that lack of sleep is closely tied to mental health issues like anxiety and depression? Sleep deprivation disrupts neurotransmitter balance and increases the risk of mental health disorders. If you're feeling irritable or emotionally overwhelmed, getting enough rest could be a game changer for your mental well-being. Physical health risks of poor sleep. Sleep isn't just about rest, it's about keeping your body functioning properly. Chronic sleep deprivation is linked to heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and even obesity. In fact, studies show that people who sleep less tend to crave more unhealthy, high-calorie foods. Tips to improve sleep quality. If you're struggling to get enough sleep, don't worry. Here are a few science-backed tips to improve sleep quality. Number 1. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Number 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Number 3. Avoid screens before bed. Number 4. Make sure your bedroom is cool and dark. By implementing these tips, you can wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Long-term benefits of good sleep. When you prioritize sleep, you're investing in your long-term health. Improved sleep can lead to better brain function, enhanced mood, and even a stronger immune system. Over time, proper sleep will not only help you live longer, but also enhance your quality of life. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the power of sleep and why it's so important for your health. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more health tips. Let me know in the comments how you can improve your sleep.